Bitcoin dominance strengthening as China denies rumors of trade talks with the United States and Russia amplifies attacks on Ukraine. It's Thursday, April 24th, 2025. I'm Christine Lee. This is CoinDesk Daily. China's Ministry of Commerce denying reports of progress in economic and trade negotiations with the United States Thursday, calling such claims baseless rumors. A Foreign Affairs Ministry spokesperson saying China's attitude is consistent and clear. If you want to fight, we will fight to the end. If you want to talk, the door is open, but only under conditions of equality, respect, and mutual benefit. Meanwhile, Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent clarified that there's no plan to lift U.S. tariffs on Chinese goods, despite U.S. President Donald Trump's hints at a potential fair deal. In Europe, Germany's economy faces stagnation for a third consecutive year, with the economy minister citing Trump's 25% tariffs on automobiles, steel, and aluminum as a major blow to the export-driven nation. The ongoing trade turmoil is boosting Bitcoin's appeal as a safe haven asset, while crypto markets fall on the daily charts. BTC's dominance keeps growing. Meanwhile, Trump's attention has been diverted to a Russian missile and drone attack on Kyiv that killed at least 8 and wounded more than 70, according to Ukrainian officials. Trump posting on Truth Social, "I am not happy with the Russian strikes on Kyiv. Not necessary and very bad timing. Vladimir, stop. 5,000 soldiers a week are dying. Let's get a peace deal done." Russia is amping up their offensive and looking to make moves in crypto. Russia's finance ministry and central bank are launching a cryptocurrency exchange for highly qualified investors aiming to legalize and regulate crypto transactions, according to Interfax. The initiative, part of an experimental legal regime proposed in March, seeks to bring crypto operations out of the shadows. The absence of a centralized domestic exchange has forced Russians to rely on overseas platforms for trading. Finally, Strike CEO Jack Mallers' new firm 21 Capital is set to go public via a potential $3.6 billion SPAC merger with Cantor Equity Partners and is pitching itself as a superior vehicle for investors seeking capital-efficient Bitcoin exposure compared to Michael Saylor's strategy. Cantor Equity Partners shares surging 55% and rising an additional 15% in pre-market trading following the news. Backed by Tether and SoftBank, 21 Capital will launch with a 42,000 Bitcoin corporate treasury worth about $4 billion at current prices. The stock is set to relist under ticker XXI, Roman numerals 421, once the merger is finalized. For more news in the morning, check out Crypto Daybook Americas. You can subscribe at coindesk.com/newsletters.